goal with this activity is to really loosen up your neck and your trunk. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna get a pillow or an Eric's pad and you're gonna lie comfortably on your side, just like so. And I'm gonna have my knees atop one another, arms chilling, that's the down arm, top arm just kind of, resting somewhere on your stomach. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep your mouth closed, you're gonna just nasal breathe throughout this process. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your eyes start looking back behind you, so I'm kind of looking up towards the ceiling. And then my neck's kind of going to come along for the ride as I do this. Basically, I'm going to roll to my back using my head to complete the action. You don't want to force this. You want to move as easy peasy and comfortable as you possibly can until you get on your back. Rinse and repeat. It's going to look like this. So mouth closed, nasal breathing. I'm just going to keep looking and turning until I get to my back. The rest of the body is very lazy, kind of coming along for the ride. Just like that. One more. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.